What's up, everyone? Misdiagnosing happens to even the best appliance repair techs from time to time, but how you handle that misdiagnosis can make or break your reputation. Today, best practices on properly addressing a repair misdiagnosis. If that new part didn't solve the problem, you cannot charge the customer for it. That was your mistake, not theirs. Refund any part's labor costs right away. From there, re-diagnose to identify the real issue. Provide the customer a new estimate with updated repair costs. Give two options: proceed with corrected repair plan at new price, or refund previous costs and walk away. If customer decides to proceed based on new diagnosis, apply any previous cost to new repair. Don't charge twice. That's bad business. In some cases, though, cut losses. Occasionally, simply refund up front and walk rather than persist on a problematic time sink job. Reserve this for nightmares, but don't be afraid to walk when needed. Finally, reflect on what led to the misdiagnosis. Steps you missed? Should you have consulted more resources? Use it as a learning experience to improve diagnostic process. Misdiagnoses happen, but handling through accountability, fair remedies, transparency, and a learning mindset separates true pros. Satisfied customers who feel respected are way more likely to return and refer. Proper protocols protect reputation and enable long-term success. Let me know other suggestions in the comments. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. If you want us to talk about any new topics, please let us know in the comment as well. Keep growing your business and jump onto ServiceWorks to optimize your operations and maximize your proficiency.